Hello YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to our channel Fashion Forward and attractive footwear. Whether it's the allure of stiletto heels, the elegance of high-heeled sandals, or the timeless appeal of buck shoes, every pair tells a story of confidence, sophistication, and style. In today's video, we shall take a deep dive into these iconic styles, exploring how they can elevate any wardrobe while sharing tips and trends to help you step into your most stylish self. Let's start with the stiletto heel, an undeniable symbol of power and femininity. The stiletto is defined by its ultra-slim, tall heel that immediately lengthens the legs, enhances posture, and commands attention. This heel type is often considered the pinnacle of high fashion footwear, and for good reason. The name stiletto comes from the Italian word for a slender dagger, and just like the weapon, these heels are sharp, precious, and so striking. Stilettos come in a variety of shapes and designs, giving you endless possibilities to choose from. Pointed to stilettos are a wardrobe classic, perfect for professional settings, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any formal outfit. Peep toy stilettos, on the other hand, are great for special occasions or nights out, allowing you to showcase that perfect pedicure while still keeping things chic. And if you are looking for extra height without sacrificing comfort, platform stilettos balance the boldness of the heel with added sport. The finishes on stilettos can drastically change the look and feel of your outfit. Patent leather stilettos have that high gloss shine, giving your ensemble a polished, formal edge. Suede stilettos offer a softer, more comfortable feel, ideal for cooler months or cozy yet elegant occasions. Then there's the daring world of metallic stilettos, perfect for making a bold statement and parties. And of course, the glamour rhinestones embellished stilettos, which are all about sparkle and sophistication. Now let's step into something a bit more breezy and laid back. High-heeled sandals, ideal for warm weather or tropical destinations. High-heeled sandals bring a balance of style and comfort. With their open-toe design, they allow for more freedom and airflow while still giving you that extra height and boost of confidence. High-heeled sandals come in a range of styles, perfect for any occasions. Thin-strapped sandals are the go-to choice for a minimalist look, great for casual outings or summer dresses. If you are feeling advantaged, opt for gladiator sandals, where the straps warm around the leg for a more dramatic effect. For those who want added stability, the block-heeled sandal is a game changer. It provides the height without the pressures of a thin heel, making it easier to wear for extended periods. Just like Stilettos, high-heeled sandals come with a variety of embellishments that can take your look to the next level. Jeweled sandals add a touch of glamour and are perfect for events like weddings or evening parties. Metallic accents can add a sleek modern edge, while fringe details lend a boho chic vibe that's perfect for festivals or beach vacations. One of the best things about high-heeled sandals is their versatility. You can pair them with a flowy sundress for a day out, dress them up with the long gown for an evening event, or even wear them with jeans and a blouse for a more casual yet stylish look. High-heeled sandals give you the freedom to express your style no matter the occasions. Next, we move into the world of buck shoes. Timeless, refined, and a must-have for anyone looking to make a strong style statement without the height of stilettos or sandals. Buck shoes are also known as monk straps or be defined by their sleek design and unique buckle fastening. Unlike heels, they offer a more grounded look while still maintaining that sharp, elegant edge. Buck shoes are incredibly versatile, pairing well with both formal attire and more laid-back looks. They are perfect for the workplace, especially when you want to polished professional appearance, but do not be afraid to wear them in more casual settings. Pair them denim or chains. They strike a balance between classic and contemporary. Just like stilettos and sandals, buck shoes come in a variety of materials. Leather buck shoes are a classic and durable, ideal for formal settings. For long-term wear, Suede buck shoes offer a softer, more textured look, perfect for fall or winter outfits. For something a bit more daring, opt for patent buck shoes, which provide a high shine finish and an ultra sleek modern look. From the dramatic allure of stiletto heels to the breezy versatility of high-heeled sandals and the timeless sophistication of buck shoes, these footwear styles are not just fashion choice, they are a reflection of your confidence, elegance, and personal style. Whether you are dressing for a formal event or night out or a casual day, they are always the perfect pair to elevate your look. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the stunning world of stiletto, high-heeled sandals, and buck shoes. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion inspiration and footwear tips.